What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And as I told you guys the other day, we were looking for the next TRX, and I think we found a beautiful one. We're going to take a quick walk around, looking at it, taking a look at some of the images, and then I'm going to tell you guys how you can get in to win this beautiful truck. And we're doing something that we haven't done before in terms of offering the lowest case for entry as well as a higher case for entry with an insane amount of entries. So we're going to get into all that and more and taking a look at this TRX right after this. All right, guys, so welcome on back to TK's Garage. So this TRX is absolutely beautiful. 2021 Ram TRX. Yes, it has some mods. It has 48,000 miles, I believe, on it. Has all of its maintenance up to date. One owner vehicle. Whoever gets this vehicle will be the second owner of the truck. The mileage on it, like I said, is great. The interior is great. We're going to push a video up here on screen, or some of the images probably while I'm talking to you. And it's going to run from today to June 30th. I was debating whether to start it at the beginning of June or start it a couple of days early. And I figured, we can get the extra entry orders out of the way because there's only 10 of those for the regular different levels available, and then that's it. And then there at the very high end, at the high levels, there's 3 of those available. That's how we're doing it. The SRT V10 Viper truck is ending this coming week, so I figured, let's get this thing up. We can have it sitting next to the Viper and get this thing rolling. So we do now have it. Like I said, it's a beautiful truck, as you can see from the video clips and the photos. If you want to get in on this thing, it's very easy to do so. TK'sgarage.bigcartel.com. There is a link in the description down below. It will run from today until June 30th at midnight. So going into that last day of June, that's when it will be finished. So if you want to get in on it, very easy to do. TK'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Link in the description down below. This is the most requested, and the reason why we went back with another TRX is because it's literally every time we do one, we don't ever have any issues with getting it done. The Ram 3500 was awesome. We just got over breaking even because we also did that second place, which was 2,500, and we're actually going to do that on this one here, but we're going to take it to a little bit higher level. Second place here on the TRX is going to get $4,500. Third place will get $1,000. So it'll be 3 different individual winners for this Ram TRX. So something that we haven't done in a long time. If you want to get in on it, like I said, link in the description down below. TK'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Thank you guys very much for watching. And as always, stay petty, my friends.